Ko haparangi te maunga, ko puarenga te awa, ko rotorua nui a kahu matamomoe te roto, ko ngā hapu o Ngāti Tuara, Ngāti ke Arawa, Ngāti Wāhia e tūhaurangi. But it was a pleasure to be able to make a start with my father, within my father's band. Tai Paul and the Pohutu Boys, it's like a 10-12 piece band. And it set me in good stead for later on, and within a couple of years, 1960, I got picked up to be part of the second of the Māori Hi-Five bands in Wellington. So I went solo in 1967 and was standing ovation for that first performance that I did. And 2 nights I was starring at Checkers nightclub, 2 shows a night. That actually put me on the map as far as Australian television was concerned. Whether you're a musician or a singer, you can't expect to get too far unless you learn how to read music. You're not the best until you can prove it. And the best way to sort of get in a position to prove it is by arming yourself with certain qualities and knowledge. And the thing that actually is exciting me at the moment is the fact that this music education book that I've written, music, I've taken it up as a passion because of what I've learnt being Māori. E pāna ki te whatumanawa. I te taha hinengaro, i te taha tinana, i te taha Wairua. E wainganui o era, ko te tūmanako, te whakapono me te aroha, te orite e tanga o te katoa, kia tau te rangi Māori. Kia tau te rangi Māori, kia tika te kaupapa, haere tonu.